You might have heard of something called time dilation before, but what actually is it? In simple terms, it means that time doesn't move at the same speed everywhere in the universe. The faster you move, the slower time passes for you compared to someone who isn't in motion. This means that if you were traveling at light speed, minutes for you could be years for everyone else. The same logic also applies to gravity. The higher an object's mass, the higher its gravity, which therefore means that time is slower when under the influence of gravity. However, to humans, this effect is only really prominent and noticeable with stellar objects that have an insane amount of gravity, like black holes or extremely dense neutron stars. In the movie Interstellar, this idea is portrayed perfectly with the idea centered around astronauts orbiting around a supermassive black hole, where 1 hour equals 7 years on Earth. The best example in real life would probably be GPS satellites. They orbit around 20,000 kilometers above Earth, where gravity is slightly weaker than on the surface. And because gravity slows time, clocks on those satellites tick slightly faster than clocks on Earth by about 38 microseconds, which is unnoticeable to humans, but without any correction would cause GPS positioning to become offset by several kilometers per day, and would render navigation useless. Because of this, engineers have to pre-adjust GPS clocks to account for time dilation. So if time can move at different speeds, does that mean that the future already exists, but just not for us yet?